In order to get registered for Zelle, you can sign up on your mobile device or you can use a desktop browser. In both instances, go to Move Money, click on Send Money with Zelle. Please ensure you review the scam warnings and click Continue. To familiarize yourself with the features of Zelle, click through the slides and read all the information. Once you have done so, click Get Started. At this time, you will need to click on Terms and Conditions. Click on Terms and Conditions and ensure you review them. Once you have done this, click on the box I agree, followed by Accept and Continue. Choose which method you'd like to receive the verification code, and we will be receiving a 6-digit code to the email address selected. You will get this code delivered to your email or phone depending on your selection. And click on Verify once you have entered that information in. You may see this alert if the email or phone number is enrolled for Zelle with a different institution. You do have the option of clicking Yes, Continue if you wish to transfer over that email address to the new institution. Click Yes and Continue if you wish to do so. Just please remember, with the other institution, you will need to enroll with a different phone number or a different email address. At this time, you will need to select the account you wish to send and receive money from. You are all set up. You can start sending money at this time. If this is your first time enrolling, you do need to set up your contacts. Go ahead and click on New Contact. Enter in the contact's name. You would need to also select if you will be using their email address, their mobile number, or their account number with the other institution. In this instance, we will be using their phone number. Once you have entered in the information, click Save. Please be cautious when sending funds. Zelle should only be used to send funds to people you know and trust. If the name of the individual and the phone number is correct, go ahead and click on Continue. This symbol indicates that the individual is registered for Zelle. At this time, you can go ahead and select the amount you wish to send this individual. Click Review. You will be able to enter in a reason for the transfer of funds. The money will typically be available in their account in minutes if they are registered with Zelle. If the individual you are sending funds to is not registered with Zelle, it could take up to 3 business days, as the other individual needs to enroll before they can claim the funds. Please click Send to proceed. At this time, you will be prompted with more information. Please make sure you read all of the alerts from Zelle. Click I've read and understand the information above. And always remember, Zelle is like cash. Once a Zelle payment has been sent, it typically can't be canceled or recovered. Click Send when you are ready to proceed. At this time, the payment is sent. You will see a confirmation number and you will see that the individual you are sending funds to should receive the funds in the next couple of minutes. You can click All Done when you are finished. You are also able to request funds from an individual by clicking on Request. If you are requesting funds from a recipient you already have added to your recipient list, you can click on their name. Go ahead and enter in the dollar amount that you are requesting. Click Review. You can put a reason if you wish. And request. Once you have completed sending the funds, click All Done. Welcome to Zelle. Zelle is a third-party service provided through Gain. Use of Zelle is subject to its terms and conditions and GAIN FCU's electronic funds transfer and mobile deposit services disclosures and agreements.